There is something extraordinary about a substance so simple that it can hide in plain sight, yet powerful enough to influence how long and how well the human body thrives. Modern science keeps uncovering layers of evidence, showing that this golden liquid interacts with our cells, our metabolism, and our internal chemistry in ways that few natural foods can. Researchers have found that its components can trigger protective pathways inside cells, improve how genes involved in repair behave, support the brain's resilience, and influence inflammation at a level deep enough to shift the trajectory of aging itself. And perhaps the most intriguing part is that its benefits do not rely on large amounts. Even a small daily intake activates biological mechanisms linked to healthier arteries, stronger cognitive function, and a slower rate of oxidative damage. What follows is a journey into how one of the most studied natural fats on Earth continues to reveal surprising abilities to support long-term vitality. Olive oil stands out because of the way it interacts with inflammation, one of the major drivers of aging. Studies highlight that its monounsaturated fats and polyphenols rapidly reduce inflammatory markers, making it easier for the body to maintain normal tissue function over time. Scientists often focus on a compound called oleocanthal, which behaves similarly to certain anti-inflammatory agents and appears to protect sensitive tissues, especially in the brain and cardiovascular system. This interaction helps support arteries, improves the quality of blood flow, and enhances oxygen delivery to cells, creating a foundation for better longevity. Another core advantage is its impact on oxidative stress. Every day, cells experience damage from free radicals produced through metabolism, environment, or lifestyle. Olive oil's antioxidants neutralize these stressors before they accumulate. Oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and other phenolic molecules can protect cell membranes, mitochondria, and DNA itself from oxidation. This is essential because the slower cells accumulate damage, the longer they maintain optimal function. Research shows that diets rich in extra virgin olive oil are associated with lower systemic oxidative stress and a reduced rate of biological aging. Olive oil also influences how the body handles fats and blood sugar. Its monounsaturated fats support healthier cholesterol profiles by helping the body regulate LDL particles while maintaining or improving HDL. The result is cleaner, more flexible arteries. At the same time, olive oil helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing glucose to move more efficiently into cells and reducing metabolic strain. This makes it easier for the body to maintain steady energy levels and avoid metabolic conditions that accelerate aging. Brain health is another area where olive oil has shown remarkable promise. The brain is highly sensitive to inflammation and oxidative stress, and the compounds in olive oil help shield neural tissue from both. In studies involving people following olive oil-rich dietary patterns, scientists observe better cognitive performance, improved memory retention, and a reduced rate of age-related cognitive decline. The polyphenols appear to help preserve synaptic integrity and support mechanisms of neural repair. This contributes to a longer-lasting, clearer, and more resilient mind. The cardiovascular advantages extend beyond cholesterol and inflammation. Olive oil supports the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium, which controls blood pressure, circulation, and vascular repair. When the endothelium remains healthy, the heart works more efficiently, and the risks of plaque development or arterial stiffness are significantly lower. This vascular protection is one of the strongest contributors to olive oil's connection with longevity, as cardiovascular issues are a major factor in reduced lifespan worldwide. Additionally, olive oil enhances nutrient absorption. Fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K, require a quality fat source to enter the bloodstream effectively. By pairing olive oil with vegetables or herbs, the body absorbs more antioxidants, carotenoids, and phytonutrients, amplifying the overall health impact of meals. This natural synergy allows the body to access a broader range of protective compounds with each meal, supporting energy production, immunity, and cellular function. Finally, scientists have discovered that olive oil directly influences gene expression. Certain polyphenols can activate longevity-related pathways, including those involved in cellular repair, detoxification, and mitochondrial optimization. Mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of cells, function more efficiently when supported by healthy fats and antioxidants. Olive oil helps reduce mitochondrial damage, ensuring they continue producing clean energy and maintaining stable cellular performance across the lifespan. Olive oil's influence on longevity becomes even clearer when examining how it affects metabolic stability. One of the strongest predictors of long-term health is how efficiently the body maintains stable blood sugar. Research shows that consuming extra virgin olive oil with meals can significantly reduce post-meal glucose spikes. This happens because its monounsaturated fats improve insulin signaling, allowing glucose to enter cells more effectively and preventing the damaging cycle of high spikes followed by rapid drops. Stable blood sugar lowers internal stress, supports hormonal balance, and protects tissues that normally suffer from glucose fluctuations, including nerves, blood vessels, and the kidneys. Its benefits extend into gut health, an area that modern longevity science focuses on intensely. The gut microbiome plays a major role in inflammation, immunity, and even mood regulation, and olive oil supports it by acting as a gentle prebiotic. Certain polyphenols reach the colon intact, where beneficial bacteria ferment them. This leads to a healthier microbial balance, reduced formation of harmful metabolites, and a stronger gut barrier. A well-functioning gut limits chronic inflammation and optimizes nutrient absorption, both of which are essential for long-term vitality. Olive oil also supports the liver, a key organ in detoxification and metabolic control. Research shows that its antioxidants reduce liver fat accumulation and support enzymes responsible for breaking down toxins. By reducing oxidative stress within liver cells, olive oil helps the liver maintain its capacity to process chemicals, hormones, and metabolic byproducts. A healthy liver keeps the bloodstream cleaner, supports hormonal balance, and improves overall metabolic efficiency, which contributes greatly to longevity. One of the most important yet lesser-known effects of olive oil is its role in maintaining protein integrity. As the body ages, proteins within cells can become misfolded or damaged. These damaged proteins accumulate and interfere with cellular function. Olive oil's polyphenols help reduce this buildup by supporting the body's natural cleanup systems. This contributes to better cellular housekeeping, clearer metabolic pathways, and improved resilience against age-related dysfunction. Bone strength is another long-term benefit supported by increasing scientific evidence. Olive oil appears to help maintain bone density by supporting the activity of osteoblasts, the cells responsible for forming new bone tissue. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects also protect bone cells from stress. Over time, this contributes to stronger, more stable bones and reduces the risk of age-related bone weakening. Olive oil supports the immune system in multiple ways. Chronic inflammation weakens immunity, but olive oil reduces inflammatory stress, allowing immune cells to function more efficiently. In addition, its antioxidants protect immune cells from oxidative damage and help them respond appropriately to threats. A well-regulated immune system is essential not only for protection against infections, but also for preventing unnecessary inflammation that accelerates aging. Another remarkable aspect of olive oil is its consistent link to lower mortality rates across diverse populations. Studies that compare dietary patterns often find that people who consume extra virgin olive oil regularly have significantly lower rates of major age-related conditions. These findings remain consistent even after adjusting for lifestyle factors, implying that olive oil contributes directly to improved biological aging. Its impact on digestion is also significant. Olive oil stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and supports the smooth functioning of the gastrointestinal tract. This contributes to easier digestion, better nutrient assimilation, and reduced discomfort after eating. A smoothly functioning digestive system supports energy levels, hormonal balance, and metabolic clarity. Olive oil also helps maintain skin health from within. The skin reflects internal oxidative stress and hydration status, and olive oil's fatty acid profile improves cell membrane fluidity, helping skin retain moisture. Its antioxidants protect skin cells from damage caused by environmental factors. Over time, this leads to more resilient skin that ages more slowly, which is a visible reflection of deeper biological benefits. Finally, olive oil supports healthy appetite regulation. Its fats send satiety signals to the brain by triggering hormone release that tells the body it has eaten enough. This helps prevent overeating and contributes to healthier weight management, which is a crucial component of long-term health and longevity. Maintaining a stable weight reduces strain on organs, lowers inflammation, and supports overall metabolic function. Olive oil continues to stand out because of how effectively it protects the cardiovascular system at multiple levels. Beyond lowering inflammation and supporting healthy cholesterol profiles, it improves the stability of LDL particles, making them less likely to oxidize. Oxidized LDL is one of the primary contributors to plaque accumulation inside arteries. By reducing oxidation, olive oil helps maintain cleaner arterial pathways and healthier blood flow. This protection becomes more important with age, as arteries naturally stiffen over time. Olive oil slows this progression and supports arterial flexibility, allowing the cardiovascular system to function efficiently with less strain. Its effects on blood pressure add another layer of longevity support. The polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil interact with nitric oxide pathways, helping blood vessels relax and widen more effectively. This relaxation reduces resistance in the vascular system and helps maintain a more stable blood pressure. Consistent, moderate intake has been associated with measurable improvements in both systolic and diastolic pressure, reinforcing its importance in long-term cardiovascular stability. Olive oil also plays a role in supporting mitochondrial efficiency. Mitochondria generate most of the body's energy, and their decline is a hallmark of aging. Research shows that compounds in olive oil help reduce mitochondrial oxidative damage and support their repair systems. Healthier mitochondria improve physical energy, cognitive clarity, and overall cellular performance. Because mitochondrial decline is one of the strongest drivers of biological aging, anything that supports mitochondrial function contributes directly to longevity. Another area where olive oil has shown promising effects is hormone balance. Healthy fats are essential for the synthesis and regulation of many hormones in the body. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats support stable hormone production, while its antioxidants help prevent hormonal disruptions caused by oxidative stress. This contributes to steadier energy, improved metabolic control, and better overall physiological resilience. The brain, being rich in fat-dependent tissues, benefits significantly from olive oil's composition. Beyond protecting neurons, olive oil supports the production of compounds that help maintain the integrity of synapses and promote healthy neurotransmitter activity. This is reflected in improved learning ability, emotional stability, and sustained mental performance. In long-term observational studies, people who consume olive oil regularly show slower cognitive aging and better preservation of brain volume in key regions associated with memory. Olive oil also influences how the body handles chronic low-grade inflammation, which is strongly linked to aging. Many age-related issues begin with subtle inflammation that gradually affects tissues over decades. Olive oil disrupts this progression by lowering inflammatory markers and enhancing the body's natural anti-inflammatory mechanisms. Over time, this leads to less tissue wear, better organ function, and improved long-term stability. Another meaningful benefit is its impact on satiety and metabolic rhythm. Because olive oil slows gastric emptying, it helps the digestive system process food more steadily. This creates smoother energy levels and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Maintaining consistent metabolic rhythms supports longevity by preventing stress responses that occur when the body swings between extreme hunger and fullness. Its advantages extend to cellular communication as well. Cells rely on signaling pathways to coordinate repair, growth, and defense. Olive oil's fatty acids enhance the fluidity of cellular membranes, making communication more efficient. This leads to clearer signaling between cells, stronger repair responses, and a more synchronized biological environment. Olive oil also supports the body's natural detoxification systems beyond the liver. Its compounds promote the activity of phase 2 detox enzymes, which help neutralize byproducts generated from metabolism and environmental exposure. This reduces the overall toxic load on the body and allows cells to function without unnecessary interference. Finally, olive oil contributes to longevity through its link with overall dietary patterns. People who include it regularly tend to consume more vegetables, herbs, and nutrient-dense foods. These combinations work together, creating a cumulative effect greater than any single ingredient. Olive oil amplifies the absorption of protective plant compounds, stabilizes meals metabolically, and creates a nutritional environment that supports long-term health and biological youthfulness. Olive oil's influence on longevity is reinforced by its direct connection to improved cellular repair. Modern research shows that certain polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil activate protective pathways associated with cellular maintenance. These pathways support autophagy, the natural process in which cells identify and remove damaged components. Efficient autophagy is one of the clearest indicators of healthy aging because it prevents the buildup of dysfunctional proteins and supports smoother cellular performance. By enhancing this internal cleanup system, olive oil helps keep cells operating at higher efficiency for longer. Its role in protecting DNA further strengthens this effect. DNA integrity declines naturally with age due to oxidative stress and replication errors. The antioxidants in olive oil help shield DNA from damage and support enzymes involved in DNA repair. Studies show that individuals who consume olive oil-rich diets display lower biomarkers of oxidative DNA stress, suggesting that their cells are better protected against microscopic injury that accelerates aging. Olive oil also helps maintain stable muscle function over time. Although protein intake is important for muscle health, the quality of fats consumed also matters. Olive oil supports muscle cells by improving mitochondrial function, lowering inflammation in muscle tissue, and supporting better insulin sensitivity, 3 factors that influence muscle strength and endurance. Maintaining strong muscle health throughout life is associated with better mobility, improved metabolic health, and a significantly lower risk of age-related decline. Another contributing factor to longevity is olive oil's impact on the nervous system beyond the brain. The body relies on a network of nerves that communicate movement, sensation, and internal regulation. Olive oil's compounds help protect nerve fibers from oxidative stress, supporting smoother communication within the nervous system. This contributes to steadier reflexes, improved balance, and better overall neurological stability. Olive oil also enhances the body's ability to manage chronic stress. The bioactive compounds in olive oil interact with systems that regulate cortisol and inflammation, helping the body respond more effectively to daily challenges. When stress responses remain stable, the internal environment of the body stays balanced, supporting cardiovascular health, immunity, and metabolic clarity, elements that collectively influence lifespan. Its benefits extend to eye health as well. The eyes are extremely sensitive to oxidative damage due to constant exposure to light and oxygen. Olive oil's antioxidants help protect delicate structures such as the retina and macula. Stronger cellular protection supports visual clarity and reduces the rate of age-related eye deterioration, contributing to a higher quality of life over time. Olive oil also improves the resilience of the skin barrier from the inside. A strong skin barrier prevents excessive water loss, protects against environmental stressors, and supports normal tissue repair. Over time, this internal nourishment results in skin that maintains elasticity and structure for longer, reflecting the benefits occurring at the cellular level throughout the body. Its impact on joint health is another valuable component of longevity. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of joint discomfort and limited mobility with age. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce this strain, support joint lubrication, and maintain cartilage health. Stronger, healthier joints improve physical activity levels, which is one of the most reliable predictors of long-term health. A less obvious, but scientifically important benefit is olive oil's effect on microbial balance outside the gut. The body hosts diverse microbial communities on the skin and in the mouth, both of which influence inflammation and immunity. Olive oil helps maintain a healthy balance by reducing the growth of harmful microbes while supporting beneficial ones. This contributes to better oral health, improved gum resilience, and a lower risk of microbial imbalances that impact overall health. Finally, olive oil supports longevity because it reinforces consistency in daily health habits. It is easy to incorporate into meals, pairs naturally with nutrient-rich foods, and provides steady physiological support without needing large quantities. Its combination of healthy fats, polyphenols, antioxidants, and biological effects makes it one of the most well-documented natural ingredients for long-term vitality. The more consistently it is consumed, the more these small interconnected benefits accumulate over time, supporting a healthier cardiovascular system, a more resilient brain, a balanced metabolism, and a body that ages more slowly and more gracefully.